pinaka-importanting check-up eh. Yung ano, Doc? Congenital anomaly scan. May anomalya ba sa kanya nangyayari? Ganun. Kung may anomalya sa loob. May anomalya. Kung naransak ba siya sa loob.
Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
Yeah, Doc Ian already said that it's a girl for you, right? Okay. Yeah, but we would check if Tina is
Both of them.
no, if Tina is not sick, if she's okay inside. Doc Ian will check if Tina is
What is
doing
Doc
good or
Ian?
better. Doc Ian.
It's Dr. Ian.
We are having a congenital anomaly scan. It's for checking up the baby inside. So, para saan ba yung Doc? English kasi. English. If she's abnormal or not. That's it. That's it.
What is this for?
I don't know if Tina is abnormal or not.
Mom,
If your sister is
what is this
abnormal.
for?
So that it will not spill. Oh, there. Can you behave so Doc Ian can concentrate?
Yes.
If your baby is okay or not? If she is sick or not? Come on. Oh, go. There's Tina in the monitor again.
It's her.
Yeah. If she is sick, if she has no feet, if her fingers are complete, if she got a brain or she doesn't have a brain like Arthos. You wanna know if Tina is good? Doing good? A while ago, our checkup is just for Tina's face now. This is for her overall checkup.
It's like Tina's head.
Yeah. If she got a brain, if it's complete. If she got the full limbs. If she got fingers, if she got complete fingers, that's the purpose of this. If she can breathe outside when what do you call that? When I conceive, when I extract her outside the womb. When she get out of the womb, if she can breathe, that's what Doc Ian's doing. If she can survive in the world, yeah. So, are you interested in that? If she's doing better? Yes, no? Yeah, so you behave, so we can concentrate. And focus, yeah. Actually, ito yung pinaka-importanting check-up eh. Yung Doc? Congenital anomaly scan. May anomalya ba sa kanya nangyayari? Ganun. Kung may anomalya sa loob. May anomalya. Kung naransak ba siya sa loob. Puso daw sabi Doc Ian yung give sa'yo. Yung uso ni Kiko yun eh. Nakaganon. Look, it's a tiny hand. Oh, wow. She got complete hands. Oh, huh? Complete hands na siya.
Where's the organ?
At least she's complete. She can slap the brother Artus when she's naughty one. Brother, stop being naughty, brother. I got complete fingers. Oh, the feet is also complete. She's a good baby. She is complete to smash the naughty brother. She can fight with you, Jay. Oh, brother, you behave, my brother. You take care of me. Oh, look at the face. The nose is so pointy.
It's forming.
It's already formed, the heart. She got heart.
Where is the bones?
Oh, it's inside for sure.
What's
Oh, the spinal cord. You see the spine? Oh, there's the bone, oh, at the back. Yeah, I think it's okay. Oh, wow. Kasi ang good thing naman dito sa, anong tawag dito, Doc? Sa kas. Kapag may may mali sa bata. Maaagapan pag inire sa mundo. Nakaano na sila.
Trachea.
O naka-ready. So, masasave yung baby.
Trachea.
O, ganun siya. Yun yung purpose nung cast.
Where is the trachea?
Tricky! Oo, parang abangan na para ma-save.
Naka-x-ray siya.
Mm-mm.
Kasi buto ang lumalabas.
Oh, that's the eyes. Oh, lupit ng eyes, oh. Parang alien dun sa, galaxy. Wow. Rawr.
Hindi naman siya. Continue mo yung progesterone mo.
Dok.
Hindi pwedeng mamimiss mo siya.
Pampaano ba yun, Dok? Pampakapit?
Oo. Yun ang maintenance natin.
Para hindi siya nagwawala.
Oo. Pangtulong siya sa ano. It's a boy!
It's a good
Dok, ayaw
boy.
What?
It's a boy!
No, that's not a boy.
Oh, you sure? Girl on talaga. Switch it, Doc. You switch it, Doc, ha? Oh. Oh, what will you say to Doc Ian? Yeah, she did it. He did it already. Doc Ian did it already. Ayan na, lulusubin ka na, Doc. I-switch. Oh, you switch, Doc. Oh, he did it already.
Okay naman siya.
Oh, wow.
Very good naman siya.
Thank you, Doc.
58
Ah.
grams.
God, Madam, patingin. Madam Chris. Grabe. Oh my God. Oh my God. Meron na siya. Oh, ayaw niya kasi si Lina, Madam. It's Kina Selena. That's her nickname. Like what's your nickname? You're RJ. Oh,
you're RJ,
But,
but
yeah.
what's your real name?
Oh, it's Artus. But your nickname is RJ.
Oh.
Wow, we got a Kina picture or Selena
Kamukha
picture.
niya po. Pero yung mata
Alo. Parang hindi. Our little Selena. Wow. Wow. Oh.
Ba't pakita si Kina?
Kina Selena. Oh, you won. It's Kina Selena.
Yan.
Let's take a picture. Take a picture, everyone. Take a picture. Everyone. Smile.
Last time.
Normal siya lahat. Huwag kayo. Impostor daw. Placenta, impostor. Full, fatal body. Normal. Oh, ha? Age, 18 years old.
18 lang. Oo. Batang-bata. Ikaw, batang-bata ang nakuha mo.
Oo.
18.
Saan ka pa?
Sinama mo sa chop suey.